Welcome, this is Michael Schutte for the course Digital Background Painting. I am a freelance producer for Rogers Television in the 9mm where I produce television art shows. I'm also the CEO and founder of the Academy of Music and Art in Qualicum Beach, Vancouver Island, where I teach music and art. Years ago I produced this course for Photoshop, but as techniques and software has changed a lot, I decided to upgrade this course with new painting techniques and an animation short at the end. And no worries, the old part is still there, like showing you the techniques of the Dutch masters, but let me explain what I added in 24 brand new clips. A new approach is setting up a mood board and making sketches in gray tones. Another cool technique which I used a lot in background painting is making shapes and create with these shapes astonishing stones, rocks and mountains. On top of that we will design from scratch a wacky comic spaceship with exciting techniques of photo bashing. When we finished our alien desert landscape, we will cut it to pieces and bring them into the 3D world of Cartoon Animator 5. And if you don't have it, just use the free trial version, and from here I will show you step by step how to create a cool animated short in this wonderful software. The pen tool mini course is still there, as I know that a lot of students are still struggling with this tool. But really, after this course you will love it, I guarantee. And no, the pen tool has not been changed during the years, so we will create another spaceship, and this is more fun than stealing it from AI. Oh, and one more thing. In my courses I will explain transitions or important techniques in a very slow pace. There is no rush, you don't have to rewind all the time, and if it might happen that you get stuck, drop me a line and I'm here to help you, no worries. And remember this, it's cool to learn new techniques, but the most important part is have fun. Enjoy the course.